Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change your work and also home address in Google Maps. So here I've already opened the apps, and if you want to change the address, the current address of your work and house, you can just go to the Save tab in here. And here there's a home and also work, so I already set my home address, and to change it you can just click on the three dots icon beside the home address. Then after that you can click on edit home. Then you can choose from a maps, or you can also like type in your exact address. For example, I want to just choose in here. Then after that click on save, and your home is set, and you can just click on done, and now your home address will be changed accordingly. And to set the work or to change the work address, you can just click on set work. Here you can choose between your use your current location, or choose on map, or enter the work address. So I'm going to just choose on map, and I'm going to just, for example, I work here. You can just click on save, then click on done, and after that your work and home address will be set like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.